Everyone, here on the morning walk, and Nikola Motors again with news hitting the wire today that their CEO Trevor Milton is stepping down. This is again after last week the SEC announced an investigation into Nikola, and then prior to that, Hindenburg Research, a well-known short research company, came out accusing Nikola of fraud, saying they were rolling their truck down the hill, which was true, to make it look like it was actually working, like the truck was actually had power. And then prior to that, GM, General Motors, they put money, they did an investment stake in Nikola Motors. And their CEO, Mary, was actually on the financial media, CNBC, making rounds with Trevor Milton just weeks before all this. Now, the stock is trading right around $25, down about 30% this morning. And get this, not too long ago, the stock was trading over 90 bucks a share. Now, Cohen Research came out and they upgraded the stock to $70. I love how they upgrade a stock in the midst of all this, right? But after doing some research, when Nikola Motors was VTIQ, acquisition company that took it public, as you might have heard all these new SPACs that are becoming popular, Cohen Research was the one doing the underwriting, getting basically the checks. So they had a stake in Nikola Motors VTIQ. So they wanted to take the company public, and they want the valuation to be insane because they make money because they have an investment stake in the company. So if that is not fishy and shady, I don't know what is. Don't believe any of these research firms or big banks out there. Heck, HSBC is getting investigated for money laundering this morning too over there in Europe. It's just, how do you trust Wall Street here? They upgrade a stock, downgrade a stock. They have their trading desk and their research are going out, having drinks, intertwining. Goldman Sachs came out over the weekend and they made billions on Tesla options, but yet they initiate coverage on Tesla stock. So during the whole boom of Tesla over the past few months, they made literally billions on that move. So just so much smoke and mirrors in Wall Street, especially right now with the market being the way it is and so much retail money coming in, that make sure if you do invest in a company and you think it's the next big growth story like Nikola Motors, just really do your research and know what you're buying. Unfortunately, GM, I am just shocked. How did they not do this research on Nikola Motors? Months ago, I was calling Nikola a fraud and their CEO, and this whole EV vehicle that just seems to be taking over like the new cryptocurrency. It is just absolutely insane out there in the financial markets. Then to throw it on top of that, you have Snowflake IPOing. That's a whole nother video in itself. See you, everyone.